Hello, ladies. It is in the middle of the night here, and typically I don't sleep well through the night. So I am up, and I figured I would do a little simple tutorial with really minimal products and probably stuff you already have. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll just kind of let it play, and we will relax and enjoy. And then at the very end, I'm gonna have some little behind the scenes footage of Jandy and I noticed that our little downtown here in Garland, Texas, was having a little Christmas event going on tonight. So we wandered into town, and our little town is known for basically their breweries and their live music, and for having the biggest hat in Texas, which honestly, it's not that impressive. I was kind of excited to see this hat that everybody is talking about because I hadn't seen it yet. But you'll see it in the video, and it's not all that it's cracked up to be around here. But but we saw the hat, the largest hat in Texas. And here I'm just using a little bit of Madam Glam's Bold White just to kind of go through and highlight some little bits here and there. Here's a little bit of glitter that I got from Amazon, which in my opinion has some great choices. So if you haven't browsed their glitter, you should definitely look into it. And they do have cosmetic glitter as well. This would be another little find from Amazon, and it's just a milky white. It's really, really thin, and I like it for using for like nail art things. As with all of our gel applications, I have a little bit of fuzz coming in from who knows where. Now I feel like our Milky has kind of covered up more of the glitter than I wanted. So I'm just going to kind of go through and dab some of this off with a little sponge. I haven't worked with Young Nails gloss gel a whole lot, although I did get this big container full this last Black Friday event that they had, and I'm going to start using it more often. It's definitely a different texture than our Synergy gel, and even the base, it's very different, but it seems to be a little bit more sticky, and it's not as easy to kind of swing back and forth from side to side on the nail. So it may take a little bit of figuring that out and getting used to how it flows. We'll figure it out though. I'm just doing some little tweaks here and there, and then we'll give her a full cure. We are just going to give her a final cure and then a little look-see. And then after that, we're going to hop right over into our little downtown in our stroll about. You'll get to see Jandy and Edith a lot. I'm doing the filming. And I think the nail came out beautiful. I would wear this on every single finger. We are about to hop over into our little stroll downtown, and I have a little surprise live tomorrow planned, which is Saturday, for 12 noon, probably more like 1 p.m., but Central Standard Time. I hope you guys can make it. I hope to see you there. All right, have a good night. That's kind of cute. Yeah, there's a couple of empty spaces still out here. I know. Here's the old barber shop. Is it a beer garden or? Huh?
Music out here, I guess.
I like that they do music out here. Feels weird, doesn't it? I know, it's strange. It's like spongy. Spongy. Let's look at the ice skating. Look. Where's that big booth that we're supposed to have out here? Do you see it anywhere? Or is it a hat? Oh, it's a hat. Let me get that boot. Or that hat, I mean. You did it! Oh, big girl!
Very nervous on
Hey,
the
big
stairs.
girl! I bet she was. That's cute in there. Isn't it? Is this where that place was before or no? I don't think it is. This was, that was something else before. It was, yeah, that was the new, salon thing that went in that didn't have any nail techs. She's a sweet girl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she just gets. She's
I
just,
love your wrinkles.
She's
It's a big
shy.
chicken.
Oh, you know she's got the ribs.
Yeah.
You want to pet her?
Hi.
Say hello. She says, "Oh my goodness."
Prefers kids to adults.
Yeah, she does.
Who doesn't?
Right?
Good point. What's her name?
Edith.
Oh, Edith. I like your bandana.
Yes.
I know.
Very festive.
Those ducks. That's cute in there, huh? What is it? Like a little? Is it? What is it?
Groceries and
Huh.
it's kind of a convenience store it is. Do fun things. It is. Dumb.
Like, look at this little cute place. You know? It's like a pizza deli. But maybe it was a pizza place.